Welcome back. Got a 12-inch C-clamp. Let's see it. Eye cracked. I had it forever. I don't use it much, but when I need it, it comes in handy. About 2 years ago, did a leveling kit on my 2012 F-150. You know how that bottom strip bolt got that middle sleeve and that rubber, it wouldn't budge for nothing. Heated it no matter what I did. I done had the right side on. I said to myself, I ain't tearing that son bitch back down again and putting it back to stock. I made it this far, that's coming out one way or another. I got this big C-clamp here. I got a bolt, I'll use it for example. What I did, grab this set out here. I use that sleeve and these two pieces of my ball joint press over there. I had a bigger sleeve than that, but I had one sleeve like on this side. I had that right up against there. That way, that's how I got it out. I had my truck sitting in front of the garage at the time, the front end facing this way. I rigged that up on there, cranking, heating it up, tapping. And about 5 minutes later, it still wasn't budging. What the hell? I cranked it a little bit more. So that clamp just popped down. That bolt just shut out like a rocket. Came in here, all the way in here, bounced off that door. Heating it and everything else. So like, oh my God. Took about 30 minutes to do the right side, probably about 2 hours to get the left side done. There's that bolt. Like I said, I don't use it much, but it comes in handy when I need it. So, I don't know if they can still make using that brand or not. Pretty old, made in USA. It was a lifesaver that day. That's all I had. Have a good day, guys.